Greinke, and the Brewers again in need of a big start from Greinke to try to get them off of a loss yesterday and back-to-back losses.
In the entire Mets batting order.
And that's the pitch that is the equalizer as Lucroy secures the strikeout at first base. And Davis out in front of that one. Cedeno, Greinke fields his position about as well as any pitcher in the game, and he takes care of Cedeno. 2-2 to Nikias, and a little half swing. Yes, he went. First base umpire Paul Emmel rings him up. Nikias is gone, and down he goes as predicted. He moves into that top spot as Greinke strikes out Torres. Right takes off, and a swing and a miss. Lucroy's throw to second. He's in time for the out. He had a great game today as Greinke punches out Nikias, his bench coach and a former big league catcher. Ishikawa gloves it, backhands it over to Greinke.